Hello guys, I just want to speak to tell somebody out there about Learnomate as an institution for learning. It doesn't matter what your background was before you had an encounter with them. To be frank with you, I had zero experience when it comes to Oracle database, but since I got myself involved into this community, I found it imperatively important grasping something daily by learning. Not just learning, I think the instructor is so calm delivering his technology and very imperative from a learner perspective to a mastery concept. Also, he has a very good support team even when you are very frustrated. This support team will jump into your case as requested, and in split seconds you got it fixed and you see yourself being integrated in the progression of the class. So I want to encourage somebody out there that should, in case you actually want to learn Oracle DBA, Learnomate is a place for my recommendation, and I think you will not regret it because it's a place for a high level sustainability. I classify it as a community for all. I actually based in the US, so it doesn't matter if you are in India or you are anywhere in the world. Provided you are connected to this community, I think you will enjoy what you're looking for, and at the end of the day, you see yourself becoming a subject matter in Oracle database. The take home here is the lecturer is knowledgeable, is patient to deliver his technology, and two, he has a support team that are effective and very sharp in delivering whatever the concern is. It might even take even a little time, but at the end of the day, your situations will be tackled and you see yourself being integrated, and your following up with the class will not be a lagging situation. So I encourage somebody out there, get yourself involved in Learnomate Technology, and you find it gracious, and at the end of the day, you become who you want to be in DBA as a technology. Thank you.